Hello, welcome to the next part of video in the Jmeter series. Right. So hope you're all watching the previous videos. In this videos, we'll see how to connect with the database and check the response type. Okay. So normally, right, we used to connect, with the other automation tools like Selenium. If you want to connect with database, we'll use the JDBC connectivity, right? JDBC right driver to connect with the database and fetch a values, right? Connect with front end and back end and see that automation will do, right? Same thing. I was working in a project where I was asked to test the synapses and Teradata database and see how the rows are inserted and how fast it responding by comparing the values with the help of this JMeter tool. Okay, same thing, right? We can connect with our database through JDBC connectivity connection, then see how the database query is fetched and how fast it responding. That can be achieved with the help of the JMeter. Okay, so now in this video we'll see some basics regarding that one. Okay, so I already have installed MySQL workbench, so you should also install some any one database in your machine. So you should install it, and then you should create one database, then you should create a table and insert columns in the table, then you should add some values in that. Okay, I have created one database called test data. In that I have created one table called Facebook login. In that I have added columns like username and password. I have inserted some values. Okay, so if I run the query like select star from Facebook login, it is retrieved some values like username and password, what are the data I inserted. Okay, same thing, this we are going to connect with the JMeter and see how fast it responding. Suppose I am testing with 5 users or 10 users, right? How fast it responding, that is what I am checking here. Okay, now let me go and create a new plan. I'll go to file, I'll go create a new plan. Okay, I'm the new plan now. Let me give a name, JDBC connection. By default test plan will be there. Okay, in a machine. Now let me go add to threads, thread group. How many users I want to run, I can initiate here. Okay, I'll give users, right, name of the thread group. Okay, then I'll go here to Chrome browser. Okay, I need to type JDBC connection. Okay, for MySQL, JDBC connector for MySQL. I should go and click this, download this particular driver. Okay, I should select which operating system I need. Then I already downloaded this one. Okay, Windows or what operating system I need to select it and you should download this. And yeah, I should go to the download folder, copy that particular the driver which I downloaded. Okay, so this I should copy, the jar file I should copy, and I should go to the Apache JMeter folder which we already were working. Go to the lib folder and I should paste here, already some jars are there. We should add these jars in the Apache JMeter. Okay, after adding, right, I should go to open the tool. These are all prerequisites you should do. Okay, go to thread group and add sampler. Sorry, first I'll add config element. In that I'll add JDBC connection configuration. Okay, let me add that one. Okay, here we can you should give the database URL, which database you are going to connect. You should give that. I'll go here, I already have this database URL. I'll copy this one. with the local host and the port number and the database name also. Test data is the database name. I'll go give that. Then I should select the driver, what driver I want to do it. JDBC driver, okay, JDBC MySQL JDBC driver, and I should give the username and password of my database root, okay, and the password which is generated. Okay, now let me write. I should go here, okay, give a variable name here, test name. I'll give as a test, I'll give, okay. Then what I'll do, I'll go to users, add sampler, and I'll give JDBC request. Okay, I'll give what request we need, I'll go, then I'll give the same name here, okay, test. Okay, and what query I want to run, I should give here. For example, the same query which we gave in the database, we'll give here, select star from Facebook login. Okay, I've added the query. Now what is doing is Jmeter is connecting with the database with the help of the driver, and it's going to run the query and see the response time. Okay, that is what we are going to do now. Okay, let me add the right view results tree also, the right listeners. I'll add view results tree, and I'll add another listener. Okay, view results in table. Okay, so I've set up everything now. Okay, so now let me run the right test plan. See, now it's passed, right? We can see the sample result here. Okay, the request response, you can see, right, the data has been captured from the database. Now it took the data from, now the Jmeter is connected with the database, same data which you saw there, it is being connected here and it's been fetched here. Okay, and we can see the response time of this particular this particular request also. Okay, for example, 1723 milliseconds is the response time for connecting and fetching the data from the database, and what is the status and what is the byte, like that we can see from the database. So how it's connecting and what is the response time for connecting with the database and fetching the values. Okay, that can be achieved, and data also can be gathered in the, if you see in the response, right, body. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Continue to follow the series. Meet you soon in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.